The perfect quarantine baking project, no yeast required. Scottish oatmeal scones, and if you don't have currants, use raisins or substitute with walnuts or chocolate chips. Scones are so easy to make and they're really delicious. A food processor comes in handy, but you can do this by hand or you can use a pastry cutter. Pour in 2½ cups of sifted all-purpose flour and 2/3 cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a whirl. Add 1/2 cup of vegetable shortening and 1/2 cup of butter, cold. Mix until crumbly. Dump all that into a large bowl and add 2 cups of quick cooking oats and 1/2 cup of currants, raisins, chocolate chips, or nuts. Use your hands to break up any clumps. Add 2/3 cups of milk or a combination. I did buttermilk and milk. You could use heavy cream, whatever you happen to have in the house. Divide the dough into 2 pieces and then knead it just a little bit. Overworking can cause the gluten to develop and they will be tough instead of light and flaky. I cut them into 4ths, but you can do 1/8 if you want, or you can cut them smaller after they bake. Brush on 2 tablespoons of butter. Bake for about 30 minutes or until lightly golden in a 400 degree for convection, 425 for a regular oven. Serve with jam, butter, clotted cream, or perfectly plain. Enjoy them with a cup of tea or coffee. You can wrap them, freeze them, and then share them with your friends. Stay home, stay well. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe and ring the bell. See you in the next video.